USI was registered in Shanghai Pudongjiang Jian High-Tech Park in January 2003 and was listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange main board since February 2012. As a leading global design and manufacturing services company, USI is the #1 provider in miniaturization services and has the largest market share in system and package modules. Our products are widely used in worldwide well-known mobile and wearable technology brands, data processing and security, the Internet of Things, industrial, aviation, transportation, medical, energy, and automotive industries. USI integrates the core values of realizing ideas together into business strategy and operations. We continuously strive for sustainable development and improvement of our environmental, social, and governance performance, recognized through being upgraded to BB in the MSCI ESG rating, and by being ranked high among the 30 A-share listed companies in the electronic equipment, instruments, and components industry sector. USI tackles climate change through energy-saving programs, solar panels, renewable energy, clean technology, and afforestation programs. We continue to implement energy-saving programs and reduce energy consumption. We installed solar panels on the roofs of some facilities. Since 2019, 999 megawatt-hour of green power has been produced. To reduce greenhouse gas emissions from our operations, USI China facilities purchased 199,916 megawatt-hour of certified renewable energy in 2021 to comprehensively offset the carbon dioxide emissions generated in 2020. To enhance ecological design capabilities, we promote low-carbon product design, improve energy efficiency, adopt AI technology, and promote Industry 4.0 smart factory projects. USI has supported the Million Trees Project for 8 years running. We have planted a total of 85,969 trees, covering 67.2 hectares in Inner Mongolia and Ningxia Province. We ensure that 100% of our major suppliers meet conflict-free mineral requirements through third-party verification. We inspire employees to invest themselves in the company mission and goals through career planning and talent development programs. USI encourages employees to seek internal promotion, stay, and strive to develop themselves while contributing to its sustainable growth. Our USI University has a general education center, School of Management, School of Technology, School of Manufacturing, and School of Quality to train employees comprehensively from manufacturing to management. Legacy and cross-disciplinary is what we hope our employees learn through our talent program, sharing their professional experience with colleagues and passing it on to the team to create a sense of belonging and achievement. We build platforms for cross-strait youth interaction. USI promotes the Cross-Strait Student Baseball League and sponsors the USI Formosa team of Hai Fungo Academy to encourage exchanges. In 2020, we invested 1.362 million Chinese yuan, helping 1,001 students in poverty. Through the Digital Education Poverty Alleviation Program, we donated 150 computers to 5 rural primary schools in Gansu and Qinghai Province, benefiting 1,375 students. USI works hand-in-hand with various stakeholders to promote economic growth and productivity through sustainable development. We are committed to building high-quality and sustainable living spaces, providing employees with a fulfilling working environment, creating excellent value for stakeholders, and fulfilling a global corporate citizen's responsibilities. Keeping sustainable management in mind, we strive to think responsibly, learn deeply, and work productively, and commit to green and sustainable development for our Earth.